Hello, welcome to week 2 of pre-K. This week we're going to be looking at different kinds of lines. It seems pretty basic and simple, and it is, but it's also fundamental to so many of the things that we do with writing and recognizing shapes, numbers, and letters. And so the kinds that we focus on are top to bottom lines, left to right lines, slanted lines, and curvy lines. Okay, those lines can be found all around us in our shapes, just a collection of different kinds of lines that we recognize as a certain shape. See all the slanted ones in there? The numbers, different kinds of lines put together to make the number 2. We have a curve, a slant, and a left to right to make the number 2. A left to right and a slanted to make the number 7. Okay, so there's 2 curves to make the number 3. The letters, of course, are the biggest collection of different kinds of lines. 2 slanted lines to make an X, 4 slanted lines to make a W, 2 to make a V, and 4 again to make an M. Okay, we have curvy lines. Look at all the curve there to make a J, a U, an S, and a C. And of course, as you're looking at different kinds of lines in the letters, don't forget about the lowercase also. They're not as familiar as the capitals, but they're also important. We have top to bottom, and left to right to make an H, and other letters that are kind of similar to that too. So some letters also have a collection of different kinds of lines. So we have a top to bottom and we have a curve. And I just want them to be familiar with the kinds of lines and what we call them, because I'll be using that terminology as we learn to write letters and numbers and shapes. I'll say, okay, top to bottom, left to right. And I want those terms to kind of pop into their mind and to think, okay, I know what she means. So as you're learning this week about the different kinds of lines, just use some number cards, letter cards, some shapes. Look around your house, look on packages, whatever's in your pantry. If you go out to the store, look on those things and find different kinds of lines all around you. All right, see y'all later.